Post-Diwali, Delhi will see fireworks without breaking any ban. The Supreme Court has given a green signal, quite literally, by allowing green crackers in the capital for a limited window. From October 18th to 20th, sales will be allowed. Fireworks can only happen on October 19th and 20th, and that too from 6 to 7 am and 8 to 10 pm. The court has made it clear, no crackers from outside. Only QR coded green crackers approved by the National Environmental Engineering Research Institute or NEERI. Police and patrol teams will be out ensuring these rules aren't just on paper but on the ground.
Crackers is also only permitted on 19th and 20th, that is Choti Diwali and Diwali, between the hours of 6 to 7 am and then between 8 to 10 pm. That means just for 3 hours on Choti Diwali and Diwali, green crackers can be burst in Delhi. In fact, the Supreme Court noting that the complete ban on firecrackers has been blatantly violated by the citizens of Delhi NCR over the last few years.
Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta welcomed the move, saying it strikes a rare balance between festive emotion and environmental responsibility. The Delhi government might even consider cloud seeding to help improve post-Diwali air quality.
मैं सभी दिल्ली वासियों को बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूं इस बात के लिए कि आपने दिल्ली में अच्छी सरकार चुनी और ये हमारी सरकार के प्रयास सफल हुए। हमारी मुख्यमंत्री जी ने कहा था कि इस बार दिल्ली को बिना पटाखों के दिवाली नहीं मनाने देंगे। सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने भी हमारे प्रयासों को सराहा है और दिल्ली में जो सरकार द्वारा प्रदूषण को ख़त्म करने के लिए कदम उठाए हैं, बहुत ही अच्छा फैसला दिल्ली के लोगों के लिए आया है।
जी, मैं धन्यवाद करता हूं मानयोग सुप्रीम कोर्ट का, जो उन्होंने 8 साल बाद इस फैसले को बदला है। दिल्ली के अंदर अब शाम 6 बजे से लेकर रात के 10 बजे तक का पटाखे चला पाएंगे और इन पटाखों को ग्रीन पटाखे होंगे, इसकी चिंता हम करेंगे। हम अभी तुरंत बैठक बुला रहे हैं। बैठक बुलाकर ये सुनिश्चित करेंगे जो माननीय सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने कहा है उस फैसले को लागू करें।
The mood today stands in contrast to 2020, when the NGT banned all crackers amid choking air. The Supreme Court extended that ban last year, calling short-term measures ineffective and demanded scientific backing for any exemptions. But what are green crackers? Green crackers are cleaner, smarter fireworks made with less barium and aluminium and designed to cut smoke and dust. The National Environmental Engineering Research Institute says they could cut pollution by up to 35%. They are less harmful but not harmless. The Supreme Court has asked the Central Pollution Control Board and the State Pollution Control Board to monitor air quality index in the National Capital Region from October 14th to 25th and file a report to the court.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.